Hello everyone. In this chapter, we will establish a basis of what we are going to need in a normal map shader. The objective of the shader that we are going to write is to get the world space normal from a normal map that is in the tangent space. In the previous chapters, we understood why we need the world space normal, and it is because we want to do the lighting calculation based on the normal. And both the light and the normal has to be in the same space. Another thing we know is that the normal map is in the tangent space, and to convert the tangent space normal into another space, we at least need one thing, which is TBN matrix. In the coordinate spaces chapter, we understood that to convert one space to another space, we need a matrix. Similarly, we will use TBN matrix to convert one space to another. Now, the question is, when we multiply TBN matrix with tangent space normal value, what we are going to get? Is it the world space normal value, or is it the object space normal value? And the answer is hidden inside the TBN matrix. So we know that TBN matrix is composed of tangent, binormal, and normal. The tangent is the tangent to the normal, and binormal is the cross product of tangent and the normal. And the result of the multiplication by TBN matrix depends on what type of normal it is. If it is an object space normal, then we are going to get object space normal values when we multiply TBN matrix with the tangent space normal value. If the TBN matrix consists of the world space normal, then the result of this equation will be the world space normal value. So the result of this equation will be object space normal value when this normal in the TBN matrix is the object space normal. And the result of this equation will be world space normal value when this n is world space normal. Now, another question you might have in your mind is, when we already have the object space normal, why we have to calculate it with the TBN matrix, and why to go through this hassle to again get object space normal value? You will know the answer to this question better later, but just to give you a hint that this normal value can be obtained just for a vertex, but this value we will be calculating for every single fragment based on the TBN matrix and the tangent space normal value, which also consists of the normal value for every fragment or for every pixel. When we will write our shader, the first thing that we are going to do one, we will read the attributes of the mesh. We will read the normal from the mesh, and the mesh will also provide us the tangent. Second thing that we will do is we will create a property that will take a texture as the input, and this will be your normal map. And these normal and tangent will be object space, and it will be per vertex. So the final result that we want to get is the world space normal value, which we will use for the lighting calculation. So now we will have to figure out this portion of the equation. We know the inputs, we know the output, and based on the TBN matrix,